Yeah, so you are welcome to the 22nd video on HTML fundamentals for beginners, and today we are going to be talking about the progress bar. So progress elements provides the ability to create progress bars on the web. So the progress element can be used, it can be used within the heading, but we are going to use it within the paragraph or anywhere in the body. So we are going to use it in the paragraph. So the progress element attributes, it includes value and marks. So value specifies how much of the task has been completed, and marks, not mask, marks. Yeah, marks. So marks specifies how much work the task requires in total. So let us just say status and colon. Let's do this really quick, and let's say progress. So the minimum should be equal to 0 and the maximum should be equal to 100. So the next thing that we're going to do is to add the value. So let's just make this value equal to 25. I'll give it a 25. Alright, so we close this and we close the tag of our progress. And then, so if we save this right now and let's run this with our browser, Chrome. Yeah, so we have our progress bar. So you can see that this is 25% of 100%. So if we change this to 45 and save, refresh this browser, so we see it has gone to 45. So what if we make this 115? Let's see if it's going to work, because we set the maximum of 100, so we are giving it a value of 115. Let's see if it works. Control refresh. So it goes up to the end and does not exceed 100%. So if we make this 120 and refresh our browser, we should see we are left with like a 5%. So that will do it for this video. I will see you guys in the next video.